Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today we will learn how to prevent users to save data on the desktop or C drive. Okay, so if you want to restrict, like if any user should not save data to the C drive, okay, or not delete, he will not be able to delete from the C drive. So I will show you step by step using group policy how we can restrict it. Okay, so this is my client PC and I am going to jump on my domain controller. So this is my Active Directory server. Okay, this is my domain. This is itparivar.line. You can see in your case here it will show your domain name. Okay, I am going to open here group policy management and I will show you how we can restrict the C drive or desktop so that user will not save or delete any data from the C drive or desktop. Okay, so here I have few group policies. You can see, let me go to the group policy object. Okay, and let me create one new group policy for the C drive. C drive restriction. Okay, let me say okay, and let us edit it. Let's configure. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to go to the user configuration policies, expand it, then with administrative template, and then go to the Windows components, click to standard. Here you will see file explorer. Okay, so double click on this and you will be able to see here option like to prevent access to drive from my computer. Okay, let me double click on this and let us enable this. Here it is asking like pick one of the following combinations. Even if you want to restrict all drives, right, then you can select it. Otherwise here we have few options like which drive you want to restrict. Okay, so let us select the restrict C drive only. Okay, because we have to restrict for C drive only. So once C drive will be restricted, by default desktop and documents, downloads, others folders will be also restricted, right? Whatever we have on the desktop. Okay, so mostly on the desktop there is a desktop and downloads folder, documents icons, so all these will be disabled. Okay, and for now you can see we are able to open C drive, we are able to create folder under C drive also, right, on the my domain controller here. Okay, so let me close this, and as we already configured this policy to prevent C drive, let's close it. Okay, and now you have to link this policy to the OU label or for the users where you want to restrict. Okay, if you want to restrict for all the your domain users, okay, you can link it to the domain. Just right click to your domain name, link an existing GPO, and select C drive restriction or whatever policy you created to restrict the C drive. Select and then say okay. If you want to, let me cancel this first. If you want to apply this group policy for few specific department like HR team, IT team, or any other team, okay, and if you want to restrict it for all users, then you cannot link it here. Otherwise, for few specific users which are under any specific OU, like if you have any user which is under HR team OU or IT team OU, and if you want to restrict for those users only, then you can right click to the to that OU, link an existing GPO, C drive, and say okay. So for now I am going to restrict it for the all domain users. So I'm going to link an existing C drive and then okay. So you can see on to the root level or domain level this policy is linked now. Okay, let me close this policy window and let us run cmd and gp update space force. In same way, it will take some time. Otherwise, if you want to force it manually, you have to go to the client PC or on your client machine and need to do the same. Go to run cmd and gp update force to apply the policy quickly, instantly, you can say. Okay, so I'm not going to run here. We'll test it here only because we already implemented the policy to the root level, so the domain controllers will be also included. Okay, now as policy already updated, so let us try to open C drive. Yeah, you can see here the operation has been cancelled due to restriction in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. Okay, so earlier, few minutes back, before updating the group policy, before run the gp update force, okay, we were able to open the C drive, okay, and the downloads folder as well, but now it is not opening, as well as the desktop. Okay, so in this way you can restrict the saving data to the desktop or C drive. Let me show you one more thing here. Okay, so sometimes it took time, or it will you can see it is saying it is restricted. Okay, it is restricted. So sometimes maybe you need to reboot the server or your client machine to affect the group policy properly, or you can say to apply the group policy properly. Okay, so for now I'm not going to restart, but yes, in this way you can restrict the group policy C drive or desktop. So you can see now I'm not able to open the C drive. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any query or concerns, or if you need any help, please feel free to leave your comment. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Thank you. Bye-bye.